In this video, we're going to look at how we can install Survey123 on our phone, how we can access a form which we have deployed to Survey123, how to collect data, and how to send that data back to ArcGIS Online. On your phone, open the App Store. Now search for Survey123. When you find Survey123, download and install it. You can then open the app and log in to Survey123 using your ArcGIS Online credentials. This will give you access to all the forms that you have shared to Survey123. When Survey123 opens, click Download Surveys, find the form that you want to collect data against in the field and download it onto your device. You are now ready to go into the field. Click the data collection form and click Collect. You can now fill in the details such as your site ID, the date and time, and add a photograph. The next thing to add is our location. You can see that the GPS has already located us in the correct location, but you can change the location if it is not accurate, and you can move it back using the Locate Me. Click the tick when you are finished and you're happy with your data. You can either choose to send it now or continue with another data collection point. Here I am adding another data point to my form. I now have multiple items in my outbox. I can choose to send these back to ArcGIS Online when I return from the field and I have a good Wi-Fi signal. This will protect the data that I have on my mobile contract and is much more efficient.